Vice President Constantine Chiwenga is increasingly asserting his presence and legacy in the absence of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who is currently in Equatorial Guinea for the African Union mid-year coordination meeting. Simon Mashoko Mdapangwa inachinzi VP Constantine Chiwenga is warming up for power with more subscriber or like on the bed. Continue on Saturday, Chiwenga took center stage in Gweru, commissioning the newly built Gweru Diocese Pastoral Center, a landmark Catholic church facility that will serve as a spiritual and administrative hub in the Midlands province. The event, marked by solemnity and symbolism, also featured the ordination of 6 new priests under the guidance of Bishop Rudolph Nyandoro. Though framed as a religious occasion, the high-profile ceremony allowed Chiwenga to project leadership vision and statesmanship at a time when the political terrain is increasingly defined by internal and pure succession battles. In course, this pastoral center is more than just bricks and mortar. Chiwenga said in his keynote address, it is a testament to foresight, leadership, and unwavering faith. His words, while directed at the church, echoed broader political undertones of a man keen to etch his legacy beyond his military past. The center was first envisioned during Bishop Nyandoro's Silver Jubilee celebrations last year and has now materialized with Chiwenga at the helm of its launch, an act seen by analysts as a symbolic of a calculated effort to align with faith-based institutions and community leadership. The ordination of 6 priests, Reverend Kudzai Mabena, Gerald Dube, Brian Kanyai, Reynold Machirori, Carlos Masia, and Calvin Benene, added further gravitas to the occasion. Chiwenga lauded them for choosing a path of sacrifice and service. Chiwenga is positioning Iowa as not just a deputy, but as a national leader, layer the foundation for broader political future. To the mafunguro enyu to kudipa msoro pichit kwa ichi. Ina comment section edu zimafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chatombu bell icon.